Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can log in and sign up on TD Ameritrade. So as you can see, all we simply have to do is open up our Google Chrome web browser and write TD Ameritrade. We're going to press on enter and hold on, Google is doing okay. So as you can see, https://tdameritrade.com. TD Ameritrade Holding Corporation, it's actually a financial services company. It's like a stockbroker basically and all that. It was founded in the US, etc. I'm going to show you guys how to log in and sign up. To begin, we're going to open up the website right here. From there, as you can see, once it's loading up, trading anywhere else would be settling. Stay on top of the market with our innovative technology, extensive product access, personalized education, and award-winning service. So that's basically a rundown of the app. Now what we're going to do is press on open new account. From there, you can select an account, and here is individual, joint tenants, traditional, Roth, RIA, rollover, RIA, all of this stuff. For most people, it should be individual. So let's open an individual account. You want to do prefix Mr. first name, Gary, Demetrius Jr. Gary Demetrius Jr. That's so funny. Suffix Junior. So Gary Demetrius Jr. Jr. Email you use regularly, Gary Jr. 2112 at gmail.com. Country, United States, or wherever you live. Not sure if all countries are supported. I don't think they are. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, so all countries are. I'm going to do my country. So, alright. And not all countries are supported. Let's just do the US. United States. PO Box, all of that. You want to third two, yeah, you know what, let's do this. Apartment Street Building, Taiba, yeah, whatever. And then zip code, it's already done for you, blah blah blah. And then phone number, I have a non-US phone number. Yes. And you're gonna put in your phone number. I've read, continue to personal information. And that's really how to make an account. But if you want to log in, all you simply have to do is come over here, press on client login, and what you're going to do is write your user ID and your password and press on login. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.